Good morning and welcome. This is a speeded up video and I'm doing a voiceover because it was just a test with my new SWIFTY swipe tools that I've already put a separate video up to kind of make the SWIFTY swipe, but I've done different shapes, so this is just going over another shape one that I've made, and I'm just coating my canvas with my normal mixture. That was a pre-made phthalo blue with actually I think that's got a bit of black added because it looks quite dark, doesn't it? But it was pre-made with my normal glue and water mix that's in the description box. Now these were some leftover of the art alchemy paints that I'd mixed up earlier in the week, and there's my new SWIFTY swipe tools. I've had so much fun with these I've got loads of things in my head that I can do with them, so over the coming weeks, in between other things, I'll throw a few videos in of working with my SWIFTY swipe tools in different ways. So yes, the paints that I'm about to use are the art alchemy. That was a little bit of the rose gold, and I'd previously mixed these up for other pours last week, and they were mixed with just Floetrol. I think this particular purple was the Montmartre, and I'd added a bit of the colour shift in it to give it some glitter. So I was just doing this kind of just random shape. I wasn't trying to really do anything. I just wanted to see how my SWIFTY swipe tools perform, so I thought I'd just speed up the video to test it out for you guys to see and do a voiceover on it. So just add in a bit of, that's just the white with a bit of Floetrol in it, just hopefully to give it some lacing when I swipe with, look, the curved one. There you go. It's just made out of the soft plastic file divider cut and attached quite crudely to my spatula. And there you go, you've got a lovely little swipe tool that you could create kind of whimsical animals with. You can create just a feather, you can create feathery effects, but I mean, I'm not gonna just use these just predominantly just for this one effect. I'm gonna add them to embellish. I might do the balloon kissing and then add some of these wispiness through it. I might do a Dutch pour and add some wisps with this to soften up edges. So it's just like a handy little tool to do some abstract finishes. So it's just a quick little video. I thought I'd bring you guys on the journey of my experiment. So thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think. As always, you subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing YouTubers' videos is what helps us all survive. So I thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that quickie, and until tomorrow or next time, bye for now. Stay safe.